I have 2 herniated discs that I've had for about 9 years. Sometimes I couldn't walk. Sometimes I couldn't do anything. It really hurt my ability to work. It hurt activity levels and things like that. I was on a lot of pain medication. I don't want surgery, and I get injections in my back. And at the time, I was getting them about 5 times a year. It's pretty painful, and it's pretty expensive, and insurance doesn't really cover it, so it's all out of pocket. When I moved to Colorado, I met a woman who told me about Dr. Lucas, and she said that I should try her because it's helped her with a lot of pain. So that's when I started coming, about 4 years ago maybe, and that was the first thing I came for, was pain medication to help with the pain. So what I was able to do when I started going to Dr. Lucas was to make those sessions that I get the injections in my back go longer. So now I'm getting them maybe once a year. Sometimes I can go 18 months without getting an injection in my back. And there's just been a huge improvement in my overall life because of that in the last 4 years. I was on an antidepressant and anti-anxiety medication as well. I've suffered with those things mildly throughout my adulthood, and I have to say now I am on 0 medications except for an occasional pain medication. And I know that when I'm starting to not feel well, like that I need to take that I have to get into the acupuncturist. After we kind of got my pain more under control, Dr. Lucas started working with some other issues. One day I was in here and she said, "Oh, you seem like you might be a little bit congested. Can I put something on your face?" And I said, "Sure." And I think she put either an oil or alcohol or something on my face, and then she put a needle in my sinus. And all of a sudden I could smell it, like I had not smelled the scent before. It was unbelievable. At the time, I was on 2 prescription allergy medications and a nasal spray. I started with this allergy protocol, and I have not been on allergy medicine for 2 years. She's given me some herbs that I take occasionally when I feel congested, but I have not been on a prescription for allergies in years, and this is the first time since I was 18 years old, so almost 31 years since that I have been taking prescription allergy medication. So then after all my medical concerns were taken care of, I was very interested in the cosmetic acupuncture, getting up there in age, and I'm not interested in doing any type of injectables. I have a lot of friends that do Botox and Restylane and that type of thing. It's just not something that I was interested in. And I've been really happy with the results of the cosmetic acupuncture. It just kind of refreshes your skin. It helps the collagen build up. So I'm not seeing as much loss of density in my skin. I have a lot of people comment, like if I go to get a facial or something, I have the facialist comment like on how good my skin looks for my age. And I always say sunscreen and acupuncture.